Hi guys, welcome to my crazy life. It's Lori and I have a review for you of the QLIFE electric trike. This was sent to me for review, but the opinions are my own. I'm going to give you a close-up view of this tricycle. We're going to take it for a spin and I'm going to tell you all the things that I love about this tricycle. Stay tuned. All right guys, I love this tricycle. It is very affordable right now. It is one speed, meaning you only have one gear, but it's electric, pedal assist, so you can go up to 16 miles an hour. If you notice right here, it does fold. It's a collapsible bike. You would unhook that, and I'll show you in a little bit. You can collapse the front down and it'll fit in your car. Up front here, we have the front basket. It always throws me because it stays stationary when the wheel turns. You have your reflector, you have a front light, and you have your front spokes. This will hold like a purse, a bag. I would put some bungees over it. Your handlebars are fully positionable. You open this, slide up and down, tighten it. Same thing with that, fully adjustable. Seat, same thing. Your seat even has a little bit of give to it, which is great. And it's a nice wide seat that is ergonomic. It's very comfortable. It also lifts up. So you have your little lift here, and that's how you would get your battery out. Here is your battery. If you push the button, it tells you how much charge. I haven't even charged this yet. If you want to take it out, you have to make sure it's not locked, and then you just pull it out like that and it slides out. I would say you take it inside in the winter. You have your back wheels. I believe these are 24-inch wheels with your reflector. I love the gray color. I believe it also comes in a different color. On the back, you have your back reflector, but you also have this amazing basket. And what I love about this basket is there's a lid on it, right? So my fingers are cold. It's freezing out here today, kids. Let's get this open. I don't want to snap my fingers. There we go. Your basket lid opens all the way up, and you have now secured your cargo. I still have my charger. It came with a little bag. She sent me some mirrors I haven't attached yet. And that goes down really good. It snaps on there real tight. You have your back bar down here that gives you your support. On this side over here, oh, you also have disc brakes. So there's your chain for your motor. On the other side is your chain for your pedal. You get 4 keys, which is amazing. You even get some sparky plugs and things like that. Up front, you have your disc brakes in here as well. Yeah, so let's fold her up and I'll show you what she looks like collapsed. This is how it folds down. I'm not gonna do it any further because it's very cold. If you take that front wheel off, you can put this in your car, but it is definitely collapsible for sure. Now let's go for a ride. Ooh. All right, guys, we're headed out for a ride. It is so cold today, but I needed to video this so you too can get this before spring comes. I will tell you, there is a little bit of a kick if you use the pedal assist too hard, but yeah, I think you're good. Just want to hold on with both hands. It's a little bumpy. Brakes are good. And then if you have it, I have mine set on pedal assist 2. Oh, there we go. We're just gonna go for a little ride around the condos. It is so fun. I have another bike that I ride a lot in the summertime, and I cannot wait to put this into my rotation. Yeah, so we're just taking a little spin. All right, we're gonna take you on a little tour of the handlebars. So over here, you have your light. Turn those on. You get a front headlight. Turn it off. Listen to this. You have your horn. I think there's some clear plastic over this I haven't taken off yet. I'll get that off. Turn it on and off. You hold this power button right here. So now it's on. You get your miles per hour, what pedal assist mode you're on, and how many miles you've ridden. Also, you get your battery charge here. So if I went to battery assist 1, 2, or 3, determines how fast I will go. I think 3 goes up to 18 miles an hour, and then we have mode 1, which is your slowest. On this side, if you're just sitting, and you turn that, it's like a motorcycle. If you turn that right there, you'll go forward without pedaling at all. Up here, you have your brake on your front and back brake, and this is a lock. So you put it in like that and squeeze it. Now your brake is locked on, and that helps when you're parking it. And you have that on the front and the back. We have our front basket, which has my tripod in it right now. Yeah, and you have all your cords. You sit relatively straight up and close to your steering, your handlebars. And when you turn your front wheel, your basket doesn't turn, which always throws me for a loop. And then, of course, everything in your back basket is secure because there's a lid on it. I do want to talk to you about putting it together because I know that's always a concern. When it came in the box, it was folded, so the front wheel was not on. You do have to attach the front wheel. That's it on the building. You have to screw this piece on your fenders and lights. And then the only electrical you have to do is right here, you plug it in. And up here somewhere I had to plug it in. I don't know. Oh, right here. I had to plug it in. So that's your electrical. So I had to put the front wheel on the front fender, the back fender, and the basket. And it's all screws. I would recommend a good like ratchet Allen wrench set. But if you don't have that, that's fine. You build the baskets and you attach it. But all the other is already built for you. So this thing comes like 95% built, if not a little bit more. Your battery is even in the spot where it goes. Yeah, I mean, it's super, super user-friendly. I did have to put my chain on because it had slipped off. That was the extent of my building. So easy peasy, anybody can do it for real. You just have to get make sure you put your disc brake into the disc brake back here. Oh, sorry, you're not going to get a good view. But right there into the disc brake. Yeah, so that's easy. It's a few pieces. It took me less than an hour. Oh, and you have to screw your pedals on. Yeah, less than an hour, and I had this bad boy built. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. right, friends, that is my review of the QLIFE e-trike. I love it. I love taking it to the grocery store, to the swimming pool, around my community to pick up trash. I can keep my little trash can back here, my little squeezer. I love it. It's perfect for a small, like easy, just get out in the sunshine, and I highly recommend. Check the description box below for any discount codes and a link so that you too can get one of these.